Hey guys, thanks for visiting us here at LEDOutfitters.com. I wanted to do a quick video on our 24-inch Blade LED light bar. I know we got numerous pictures of it on the website, but I just wanted to do a close-up video so you guys can see exactly what you're getting when you get the light bar in. It's made out of solid aluminum housing. It has nice rounded end caps on the sides with one LED module on this side, one on the other, and then in the front there's six LEDs in every single module. There's 4 modules in the front, 4 modules in the back. It has 4 magnets underneath with a track underneath, so it's adjustable, so you can mount it anywhere you need on your vehicle. Comes with a cigarette lighter plug with an on and off switch and a pattern change switch as well. It's available in single colors and dual color. The one I have here is a dual color version. It's available on the website at an amazing price. Also, one thing I wanted to mention about these modules. They have great head-on lighting and they also have great off-axis lighting. So when you have this mounted on your vehicle, when cars are coming at you from an angle, they'll still see the light intensity and the brightness of this light bar. If you have questions, comments, we love to hear from you all the time. Let us know what you think. Have a great day, guys.